Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make leverage trade in Bitget. This time, I'm gonna show you application instead of web cause I can say you that if you're making some trade, if you're making some investment, you need to make on app. When you're making on web, that time just with accidentally you can click some wrong link and you can just get scammed. It's happened most of time. It's just not new, and even it's happened some of my friends. That's why the safest way is application. Just make it on that, and believe me, it's easier than web. When you click the app, it's gonna open your main page. To go features, to go leverage part, you need to click features, and after that it will open that page. You can see there's open long, open short, and size of leverage. But before that, you need to transfer some USDT to your features account, because spot and features wallets are different. That's why when you have some coin into your spot wallet, you need to transfer them to the USDT and features to make some leverage trade. When you open transfer part, you need to choose spot and USDT and features to send it, and choose your coin. I choose USDT because it's USDT and futures. Transfer amount, I will say 100, and I'll confirm it. After it says transfer successful. Just go back and go your futures account. When I came here, as you see, there is have 100 USDT as an available balance. So in here you can click that part to make some leverage long or short on any coin. When there's rights perpetual, that means they are futures. So this time I'm gonna choose Bitcoin. Is easy to tell. There's have two options when you make some leverage trading: cross and isolated. For beginner, I can suggest you to use isolated, because in isolated, let's say I open one position on Bitcoin. Let's say I open like $50 position. If I lose my money, if I get liquidated, I'm gonna just lose my 50. But in cross, if you make some trades, let's say you open $50 for Bitcoin and you lose your money, it's gonna cause to lose all of your wallet inside of future. That's why when you need to use isolated, and when you get pro, that time you can consider cross as well. So I choose isolated, and I have limit order. So the price mean there is writing price. You can choose the price, which price you wanted to buy. So if I bought on this price, it will be same but its current price. But if I choose, let's say I wanna buy when Bitcoin dropped down 80k, I wanna buy, and I wanna buy with $50, half of my money. I can open a limit order. It shows max open that much Bitcoin. Estimate lick price is 67 USDT. So that means when price drop down 67, I gonna get liquidated. I'm gonna lose my money. But it isolated, I'm gonna just lose half of my money. And also when you come here, you need to choose your leverage. If you choose 5 leverage, it will open 5. If it's rise 5%, it will let you earn 5 more time. If it drops down, also it will let you lose 5 more down. That's why you need to choose your leverage carefully. This time I will make just 2x because I'm trying to just show you, and it is the safest one, because you will see now it will drop down my liquidity. So when it was 6.6, it was showing 67 USDT. When Bitcoin came that level, I would lose my money, but now I made it 2x. That's why my liquidity price dropped down. It says when Bitcoin came 40k, I will lose my money. And it's like pretty hard things to come there. So when I click, it's also again telling me all the details, my fees, my quantities, and estimate lick price. I'm just saying confirm, and when I said confirm, my order coming on orders part, cause I choose 80k, but Bitcoin not on 80k so far. That's why it came on orders. When it's happened, when it's invested on 80k, when price drop down on that level, this will be opened and it will come on position part. But so far this is limit order. That's why we cannot see on position part. So in here you can modify your order, you can change your price because it's still order. You can change your price up or more down, and you can change your order quantity. Also you can just cancel this order. So let's say we made market order. This means you're not gonna decide the price. When you click that, you just gonna open your quantity. Let's say 26%. I wanna take it with 2x, and I'm telling open long. When I made it, it's not in orders, it's open straight away, and it's open 82.648. But as you see, the price is 82.633, and it's making movement. It's made me buy straight away. But the things when you're making with that, it's charging more than limit order. Also, it's giving you expensive price as well. So when you are here, you can close your position. You can just choose your limit price to sell, and you can confirm it. Also, you can make it that you can open your stop loss. You can write your target point. Let's say you want to close your position at 83.500. This time it's gonna tell you your profit under of it 2.06%, and it's equal 0.5 USDT. And when you want to make stop loss to save your money, you can make, let's say, 8k500. It's also showing your ROI over there. So if it came that level, it's gonna stop your position straight away to avoid you from more losses, and that time you're gonna just lose 5% ROI, and it's equal 1.2 USDT because it's just $25 or something. So that's why it's low. Also it's 2x. So you can decide your target point and stop loss here as well. Let's say you don't have time, you are busy, and you just want to set your stop loss and target point. You can make it over here. And if you want to close, you can choose close part, and let's say I'm gonna sell on that level to sell it fast, and I'm adding my quantity over here. I want to sell them all, and I'm making confirm. It's telling me quantity, order value, order price, and type, and I'm telling confirm. After it sell it straight away. If it didn't sell, it would come order, but it sells straight away. That's why it's done. So when I done with my trade, I can also see all of them in my order history part. I'm just coming here. I see the Bitcoin. I opened 2x isolated. My fees 0.02 USDT, and order time, status, everything I can see, and I can see my also order closing time, fees, everything inside of that panel, that page. You can just check it up after your trade. So that's it. It's pretty easy. Just you choosing your coin over here, you just deciding open, and you choosing your type of leverage, cross or isolated. You are choosing your leverage, if it's long here, if it's short here. After you are writing your, let's make it limit, because always I do suggest limit, it's better. You are just choosing your limit price where you want to buy, and you are adding your quantity, or you can choose here, and you can open long. In the same way, you can open short. Let's say you wanna expecting some drop from Bitcoin, you write 82 as your entry price, and you add your quantity, you choose your leverage. You can just click open short, and that time it's gonna tell you all the details, your liquidation, your margin, your quantity, your order type, everything's inside of that panel, but it's 11x, just for God's sake. Let's make it 2. And again, click yes. Just be careful about it, because when you making some trade, you might get confused about, long and short. You are choosing both leverage in here. The up one is long, for long here, and this one is for short position. So it's same like long. When you decided, when you thinking price will drop down on this level, you can open short by clicking this as well. And when you make price limit, it will come orders, then it will open your position. So far that's it. It's pretty easy, just it looks kind of complicated at first look, but it's not that hard. So you can open your Bitget account and you can try few trades with small amount of budget. That's enough to learn. Also, if you are new, if you want to open an account on Bitget, and if you're planning to make some trades, don't forget to register with my referral code AQS8, because when you register with that referral code, you will get some discount on trade fees. And if you want to make some investment, if you want to make some trade, it's important, because each trade, each investment, you're gonna pay some fee, and it's the best option to get some discounted on those trading fees. So far that's it. I hope this video helped you to understand how to trade with leverage in Bitget. If you like this video and if you find it useful, don't forget like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell.